Hi, my name is Julie Miller from My Florida Dreams, 574-276-2067. Today I want to show you a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom mobile home located in Colony Cove in Ellenton, Florida. You're looking at the living area here. A lot of this furniture is included. It has laminate vinyl plank flooring. It has a membrane roof. It has all new windows. This is a big house. This kitchen has been totally updated. It's got lots and lots of cabinet space. The over the stove microwave is always nice. Lots and lots of cabinets. A built-in pantry, glass tile backsplash, updated lighting. And we'll go back in here into the master bathroom, which has a stand-up shower. A lot of storage in here. Also has a newer window in here. I like this model of the house because the ceiling, the AC vents are in the ceiling. That prevents the floor from going soft. We have crown molding. We'll go into the guest bedroom, which is big enough for a king-size bedroom suite because I've had one in this size bedroom. It's got a nice ceiling fan, a nice deep closet. A lot of storage in here. So we'll go back into the master bedroom. King size suite also fits in this room. Its master bedroom is overlooking the water. This is a nice solid house. We just lowered the price. Look at this. Master bathroom. It's got an updated vanity. It's got a step-in tiled shower. It also has a big deep closet. There is a lanai on the house that is air conditioned. The shed is extra large. The washer and dryer are located out there. It is under air. We're going to come into the inside. This lanai has been enclosed. This is now living area. It is probably 12 by 20. So that's extra living space. Huge ceiling fan. I love it. Out onto your deck. But I think that's a little fire pit. A spot for your grill. You can come out here in the morning, drink your coffee. In the night, have a glass of wine. The AC is not that old. This is just a nice big house in a really fun community. We have 6 pools, 4 halls. We have a little bus that takes us on adventures. We do all kinds of stuff here in Colony Cove. My name is Julie Miller. Give me a call at 574-276-2067. Let's make this your Florida dream come true.